Hello student, myself Ajay sir and welcome you in physics lecture 4. In previous lecture we have studied about the graph, speed time graph and distance time graph, but in this lecture we studied velocity time graph. The graph of velocity time for the uniform motion is this. In this graph, acceleration is uniform. So due to uniform acceleration, the speed or velocity of the object remaining constant. This is their velocity. And when we increase the acceleration, their velocity time graph as this. This is the time, and this axis represent the velocity. And when we increase the acceleration, their velocity will increase. Now equation of motion. There are three types of equation of motion. V is equal to u plus at. This equation is also known as velocity time relation. And second equation of motion, S is equal to ut plus half at square. This relation is also known as position time relation. And third equation of motion, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. This relation is also known as position and velocity relation. And it should be learned because the question asked by their name. This is the proof of first equation of motion by the graphical method. Equation of velocity time relation or first equation of motion by graphical method. In this, first we draw a graph. This axis represent the time and this axis represent the velocity. An object starting their journey from a point A. At this point their velocity is initial velocity u, and this is the position of object, and at this point their velocity, final velocity is v. This is the acceleration or slope of the object. The formula of slope, rise by run. The rise of the object from point D to B. So you can write rise BD and the run. How distance the object run? The object run from A to D. So run replaced by AD. Now as you see from this graph, BD is equal to BC minus CD. You can write BD is equal to BC minus CD. So AB is equal to BC minus CD by AD. BC is what? Here BC from C to B, their velocity, final velocity is v. So BC replaced by small v, final velocity, and CD, this is the initial velocity of the object. So CD replaced by u, initial velocity. AD, this axis represent the time of the object, time taken by the object. So AD replaced by T. and slope AB represent acceleration of the object. So A is equal to AB replaced to A. A is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken t. Transform t from this side with it a into t, this will multiplied by a. So at is equal to v minus u. Transfer the u from this side, we get v is equal to u plus at. This is the first equation of motion or equation of velocity time relation. I hope you understood to this. Your homework, proof 2 times equation of motion, because this is the important for examination purpose. Thank you.